Okay, and welcome to the very first episode of PC Upgrade. Today we're going to upgrade the power supply. We'll start by showing you my old power supply, the CX430. It's a Corsair power supply. You know, it's an okay power supply. It's 80 plus bronze. So you know, it's reliable, but not good if you want high-end parts in your PC. So we'll be upgrading to the Corsair HX750. This one's partially modular, and it's 80 plus gold, and it's a lot more watts. So it'll be able to power all the parts we need much better. So after taking out the old power supply, I figured out I would need one PCI Express cable, 2 SATA power cables, and 1 Molex connector. So I've got all the proper cables hooked up. Now I'm gonna put it inside the computer and hook everything up to this. We'll see how it does. The reason I had to change my power supply was because the old one didn't have as many watts as I would need to run all of my equipment, like my processor, the RAM, the graphics card. In fact, it kept dropping the graphics card while I was trying to render out of Cinema 40 because it couldn't power everything. So I had to get the new HX750, and it was successfully installed earlier today. And I tried rendering in Cinema 40, and it rendered out 3 HD shots in succession very easily, so that's a good sign. Thanks for watching the first episode of PC Upgrade. I hope to see you next time when I might be doing something like getting 64 gigs of RAM SLIing my graphics card, or maybe getting liquid cooling.